So installing these main bearings are actually pretty easy. All you gotta do, pull the crankshaft out, and then what you do is you literally just push these down from this side, not this side that has the notch in it, and it'll just pop right out, and then you just start pushing in from that side. I can show you on the top half of it, but it's actually pretty easy. I'll set you up and go from there. Let's see. Do not feel like editing any videos. Okay, so got that. Don't need those because we're getting ARP studs. I just spent way too much on studs. Okay. So you're just gonna push on this side. Does work. It should work. It did work. I can feel it. But I'll feel like doing this is kind of satisfying. Just do that and then pop it out. Okay. So now you got that dirty surface. You're just gonna want to get a very clean rag. Wipe it down. First off, when you're taking these apart, you're gonna want to make sure that you label them. They do say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on them, but just in case, you want to label this side, that side, so you don't put it on wrong. That'd be a bad day. This one is kind of hard to put on wrong because you can't. Anyways, get the new bearing. Last bearing, make sure the back of it's clean. Okay. And then find the ridge. That's the ridge. Okay. Just set it right in there. Make sure it's all lined up. Just push in. Snaps right in. It's pretty nice. And then you can, if it doesn't snap in perfectly, just tap it in really nicely. And then, with like a plastic back of a screwdriver, use your ultra thick lube. Make sure you spread a lot of this on here. Make sure you're not spreading it with your dirty hands though, because you don't want dirt to get in your bearings, because that's how they get messed up. Okay. Alright. And then we're gonna go put this back in. I already did all these. This is my last one. One thing you're gonna have to do is tap it in with a hammer. You're gonna want a lot of cardboard when you're doing this because it's a messy job. Don't use a metal hammer, just a rubber one works great. Alright, now you can drive it in the rest of the way with your studs, which makes me think now, probably should have put the studs in first, but hey, you know, you're looking to learn. I think I should be able to get them in there without, because bolts have to go on top. Yeah, we're good, we're good.